Hi, and thanks for choosing Queensland X-ray. As making a radiology appointment can be complicated, we've got 5 tips to help you through the process. Appointments require a referral from a doctor. This referral should be on a piece of paper and will have important information we'll need to make your appointment. We accept all referrals, including those for other radiology providers. We ask that you upload your referral, as we can use it to check you've made the right appointment. We use this information to create you a profile in our system. We need to know your contact details in case we need to get in touch before your appointment. Don't worry, we keep your information private and will not share it with any unauthorised parties. We will also need to know if you have a Medicare card, any other healthcare cards, or have an insurance or work cover claim for billing purposes. This is what kind of image you're having taken, such as MRI, ultrasound, CT scan. We also need to know which part of your body will be imaging and, if necessary, what side. If you're looking to have a general X-ray, you don't need to make a booking. Just walk into any of our practices with your referral. This section helps us understand why we're taking the image and lets us know the urgency of the scan. It may include information such as rotator cuff injury or worsening pain and cannot move. Please provide us with all the notes your doctor has written on the referral, as these exact words are what will be used to direct our team when taking the image and help refine the cost of your service. We need to know the name, address, phone number and provider number of your doctor. The provider number will have 3 to 6 digits and 2 additional characters such as 1A, VF or AA. We also need to know if your doctor is a GP, specialist or another referrer. Don't worry if you can't provide all this information. Just do your best and we'll get in contact with you to sort out the rest. If you prefer to speak to us over phone, give us a call on 1300 78 1926.